This video is going to show you how to download mods directly from mod.io. This is an updated version based on my previous video with a lot easier steps to follow. So first thing what we're going to do is go to your clipboard settings and ensure that your history is turned on. This way when you hit Windows key and the V key together, it'll pull up a history of your copied text. So the first thing we're going to do is once you're in your account in mod.io, go to API access. I'm going to come down here and just copy your API key. Next, what you're going to do, go to any game, doesn't matter which one, and then you're going to right click the icon and inspect. It's going to bring up the source for that icon, and you're going to look right before /crop. It's going to be a number, and that is your mod or your game ID. So for this example, I'm going to just edit the HTML. I'm going to copy 2475 and close that. Now I can pick any mod that I want, doesn't matter. We will pick mod hub. And then over here on the right hand side, you'll see this little button to copy the mod ID. So now I have my API key, my game ID, and my mod ID all copied. So now we're going to open up PowerShell and use this script to download the file. I will link this in the description. So if we go over here, we highlight everything within the single quotes. We'll hit Windows key V to pull up our clipboard. The one on the bottom is going to be my API key. So it goes bottom to top, oldest to newest. So that's my API key. That's my game ID 2475, and that's the mod ID. Those are already copied in mine. So next it's going to get the game name, get the mod name. It's going to build a file path based on the game name and the mod name. It's going to create the folder in the current users documents /mod.io_mods/ the name of the game. And then it's going to make the file path. It's going to grab the download data and it's going to get it into a nice string. It's going to look kind of like this. And then it's going to go to that string, download the file, and then it's going to open it in Windows and make it the primary window. So to show you what it looks like, now that I have everything entered in, basically all I need to do is make sure all these are correct, and you just hit the play button. It went and downloaded the file. It put it in mod.io mods under my documents and Deep Rock Galactic, and there's the mod right there. So let's go back here and we'll delete mod.io. Okay, and then we'll run it again. It created the file and the folder. So there it is. Easy enough. Again, the script will be linked in the description, and let me know if you have any questions. Sweet.